Alright, so first thing we're going to talk about is having water when you're camping. It does have a tank, self-contained, that you add water to. So if you're boondocking, you don't have access to regular running continuous water, this is how you add water into the tank. Alright, so right here is going to be access to the internal water tank. One of the little silver keys.
Key is on your keychain.
Yeah. Open that up, take that screw off, and just sit that anywhere. You're going to have two hoses that are going with you, and they're in different lengths. So depending on how far the water hookup is that you've got to hook to, will depend on which hose you use. So we've got two different lengths here. So we've got this nozzle right here is what you use. You hook it onto the end of the water hose here. We're just going to use this one for example's sake. Hook that on like that. The other end obviously to the faucet, turn it on. This is going to give you an on and off feature right here. You can control the flow of water going into it. So really simple. It goes right in. You flip it on, water starts to go in. And once it gets full, you're going to get some backsplash through here. There's a little hole, a little air hole that allows the water to flow in. Now when you see it backsplash, kind of trickle, overflow, and you'll hear it. Makes a funny sound.
And please take into consideration that you're not going to want it totally full if you're traveling long distances. The weight of that will really affect your miles per gallon. So, and depending on, we will have asked you already, if you're going to be boondocking versus if you're just headed to a full service RV park, it's going to be very different. But if you're going away and going to be boondocking, we'll probably fill it up halfway to make sure you have plenty of water, but that you're not having to have too much weight on you. So that's how that works. I'm going to stop here and we're going to go to the next point. Next part.
Okay, so if you do have water hooked up, again, determine which hose is best, depending on how far you gotta hook it up from. So first thing, you're gonna get an RV water filter. It will filter, give you clean water going in.
We never recommend drinking water from the RV, period, but it is purified water.
Yeah.
But use your discretion at that. We always recommend bottled water.
Exactly. So to have filtered water, take this, whichever hose you determine you need. Take the end. Real simple, just common sense. Screw it on just like that. A little more graceful than maybe I'm doing it. I got two left hands, I think. And once that's on, you want to put that on first, and here's why. Once that's on, hand tight, not you don't have to ogre it like I tend to do. So and this is the water hookup on the RV. This part freely spins. This is, reason being, it's going to help you hook it up. So all you do, line up the threads, turn it, make sure you're lined up counterclockwise, and get it good and hand tight. Maybe pick this up a little bit, give it a good turn till it's snug, bring it back down, locks it in. You might have a little bit of leaking around it. That's not a big deal. But when you turn the water, and obviously make sure the water's off. If once you turn the water on at the other end, a quarter to a half turn, you don't want to have it blasting through.
Doesn't need to be full throttle. It does blow tubes and stuff.
And adjust it according to the pressure you need inside. That's just a little tweak there. So.
Yep. And the other end is hooked to the source at the RV park. And that's all for water at the moment. Next video coming.